Baby handling. When your baby is very little, you may feel you have to handle him in such a way that you are supporting his head all the time. This, however, doesn't give the baby any opportunity to develop his head control. You can safely lift your baby through side lie, which uses your baby's natural righting reactions. There are two ways you might do this. You can roll your baby onto his side, supporting his chest and back and lifting through side lying, supporting the chin if you feel it necessary. You can continue with this movement to lay your baby onto your forearm. This is an excellent carrying position. Ensure that baby's head is resting in your bent elbow, giving some support to his head, but enough freedom for him to lift and move his head. Put your baby down the same way through side lying. It is also good to alternate the starting side. Another way of picking baby up is to place a hand firmly around his chest under each armpit. Roll baby onto his side and lift again through side lying. Make sure you roll your baby over onto their side as you use this method, not simply lifting him straight up. Another position you might try is placing your baby high over your shoulder and can use the other hand to gently massage your baby's back. This is an excellent settling position. Allow your baby's arms to be free and forward over your shoulder. This encourages an extended posture for baby, which helps with burping, rather than a bent over flexed position. Put baby down the same way as you picked him up. Always take care that when you are picking your baby up or putting baby down, that you look after your back as well. Not like this. When you have a new baby, it is easy to have your focus on your baby and forget about yourself. When picking your baby up, think about good back care. Have your feet in the walk stance. Maintain the lumbar curve in your back as you lean forward from the hips. Bend your hips and knees and lower yourself down. Make sure you brace before you lift your baby, drawing in the pelvic floor muscles gently and maintaining this hold as you lift. Now let's go through that once again, this time picking your baby up out of a pram. Place your feet in the walk stance position. Maintain your curve in your lower back as you bend at your hips and knees. Brace before and as you lift.